Good morning, friends. Hope you are all fine at your home. And yesterday I told you about Afro-Asian unity, in which I told you about the Bandung conference. Right? It happened in 1955, commonly known as Bandung Conference, marked as the zenith of India's engagement with the newly independent Asian and African nations. The Bandung Conference, later named to be established of the NAM, and the first summit of NAM was held in Belgrade in September 1961. I have already done this chapter. I'm just revising this chapter again because some of the students they said that please do it again. Few of the part which is very important, so I am doing it again. But I have already completed the chapter. Now, next is peace and conflict with China. India is surrounded by 8 countries, in which Bangladesh is there, Pakistan is there, Afghanistan is there, Sri Lanka is there. Right. So many, and main aspect is China. Right. China occupied our territory also, our border related part also. It invaded India in 1962 under the pretext of Hindi Chini Bhai Bhai, and again you see the Chinese conflict with India, and yesterday on 28 and 29 we gave them a befitted reply on our border and we pushed them. But it didn't happen in 1962. So peace and conflict with China. Unlike its relationship with Pakistan, Free India began its relationship with China on a very friendly note. What happened with Pakistan didn't happen with China. We want that China should be strong, so that when the neighbor is strong, then you have to be strong also. On a very friendly note, we supported China, and we supported Nehru. Due to Nehru only, China went to the UN. China was able to secure the permanent seat. This is due to Nehru only. Nehru didn't support India's stand, but it supported China's stand. That was many people are very critical about Nehru. His stand about China's stand in the UN, and we thought that China will support us, and now how China is supporting us, you know all very well. Nehru's role is very much under the question mark, under the lens. So China, on very friendly note, after the Chinese Revolution in 1949, India was one of the first countries to recognize communist government. India was the first country, one of the first countries to recognize the communist government. Nehru felt, I told you just now, Nehru felt strongly for this neighbor, and that was coming out of the shadow of Western domination, and helped the new government in international fora. Some of his colleagues like Vallabhbhai Patel were worried about a possible Chinese aggression in future. Vallabhbhai Patel warned Nehru that after a few years, this China will be very aggressive and will be in our territory. But Nehru didn't heed it. Right? And what happened, you know it. After Ladakh, then Tibet, all our Doklam issue, and lot of things are happening now. But Nehru thought it was exceedingly unlikely. ये हो नहीं सकता है कि चाइना हम पर अटैक कर दे. You also think sometimes, if you believe somebody, if you believe in your friend, and suddenly you thought that it cannot happen, that he will ditch you. But if he does it, then what happens? Same happened with China. That India will face an attack from China. It cannot think that India will face an attack from China. Nehru think it cannot be happen. It's not possible. For a very long time, the Chinese border was guarded by paramilitary forces. Army was not there. Listen very carefully. To border Chinese, paramilitary forces were there. BSF was there, not army, or a CRPF was there, if CRPF was at that time. Simple paramilitary forces, not regular army was guarding our border. For a very long time, the Chinese border was guarded by paramilitary forces, not the army. It's written over here. So what I am telling you is written over here. So then what happened? Hindi Chini Bhai Bhai, then Panchsheel program, 5 principles of Panchsheel. Then on 29th of April 1954 was a step in direction of stronger relationship between the two countries due to the we have signed Panchsheel program and all. Then suddenly what happened? The Chinese invasion 1962. We woke up from a dream. हम जो सपने में सो रहे थे ना सो रहे थे सपना देख रहे थे कि चाइना इज़ वन ऑफ द गुड फ्रेंड चाइना इन्वेडेड 1962 so what happened in China I will let you know tomorrow but I want to give you that please go through the many periodicals these are basically current affairs whatever happening us it will help you in the future also. So only don't take this book only. Go through the periodicals, go through the magazines, go through the newspapers. You will be able to stockpiles ample of information, ample of knowledge. Right? What happened in 1962? How China invaded us? What were the main causes and consequences? Who were the political personalities behind to support? So many people now also support China. In India, now also many people, communist people, they support China. China's policy. Right? So go through it. It will help you a lot to enhance your knowledge. Enhance. Next video. Till then, and take care. Next time. Thank you.